Everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm going to show a recap from New York session 9:30 a.m. open print. Again, using this new entry technique I was using yesterday. Doesn't have to be the first candle, it just happened to be on the first candle today. Basically waiting for a candle close above or below a previous candle high or low. And in this case, it was on the very first candle. So I'm just following it down with my Fibonacci tool. And that's because the entry point is at the 0.35 of the Fibonacci level. So essentially just pull the tool down, and as soon as price hits that level, I try to mark it in. So again, not the best fill. Obviously the price is moving so fast, the preferable option is to set a limit order, in this case a sell limit, but I guess I'll have to work on figuring that out. It's just it's kind of manic at the moment, just with everything going on. I had a lot of other things happening, and I just happened to pull the chart up right in time. Anyway, nonetheless, I got in. So you can see there that blue line, that's the actual entry signal where the candle closed below the previous candle low. Again, in this case, it happened on the very first candle that printed. So that's why I got the entry I did. Anyway, you can see I drew a follow-up line, that dark blue line at the high of that previous candle. And what I'm doing there is I'm monitoring a failure. Basically, if I get a candle close above a previous candle high, then I'm going to exit manually and probably just immediately reverse the position, because it usually will go in that direction for a good period of time, certainly for the 20 points that I'm looking for. Again, the trade is 1-to-1, 20-point stop loss, 20-point take profit. I mean, there's not really much to it. What you see is what you get here. Again, I'm just monitoring for candle closures above or below previous candle highs or lows. In this case, I'm looking for highs. If it goes above that previous candle high, I'm going to exit. Also, too, if you noticed, I annotated on the left there that this is an evaluation account. It's in a SIM funded state. But nonetheless, I'm putting on risk. I did pay for it, so there is risk involved. I was planning on using this account for tomorrow's NFP news. So, yeah, I was just like, whatever. If it, worst case, I'm down 400 on it. I could still use it. But anyway, I did want to note that it is a evaluation account. It's not it's not any of my funded accounts, because I'm still kind of forward testing this model, but it has been working really good. So I did use it on my funded account yesterday, but today the reason why I didn't use it mostly is because the government shutdown, and there's just a lot of unknowns kind of in the marketplace. So a single tweet or any type of news that could come out could send the volatility in any direction at any moment in time. So it's actually quite volatile and not very predictable at times, or it can be. So anyway, that's why I moved to break even. Also, I think in general, I'm looking for 15 points. So I would have a negative risk reward on these, especially on my funded accounts. I'm, of the mind that, hey, look, if I'm going to get 15 points, and I'm really interested in just taking profits rather than going 15 points and then moving to get stopped out of break even. I just really don't like that. I don't like that feeling. So I think in general, moving forward, if I'm trading this in my funded, I'm definitely going to be taking taking profit at 15 points. But a lot of times what happens is price just blows right through 15 points and hits 20 points. So but in the cases like today where it kind of got hung up on 15 points, I probably would just, exit out. So, but anyway, it ran at 15 and pretty much done on the day for this count. So I'm happy about that. And that's about it. So hopefully you're doing well. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. Take care, everyone.